Earn thousands monthly in extra income performing alloy wheel repairs in your spare time. Alloy wheel repair is the perfect add-on to any existing auto repair or appearance business. Rapid Rim Repair offers one of the alloy wheel repair industry's best values on low-cost startup for franchise opportunities. And now, for a limited time in limited markets, we're offering a 2-day condensed training course for only $1,000. That's right, you can learn to restore curb scratch or damaged wheels for as low as $1,000. All materials, chemicals, and training included. You will learn to restore alloy wheels, CNC machined wheels, gunmetal finishes, and even polished aluminum wheels. Our 2-day condensed training will cover everything. As a Rapid Rim Repair specialist, you will be able to offer comparably finished products in half the time of the other guys, allowing you to undercut the competition. Wholesale your 30-minute repair for $75, while your competitors charge $125 to $150 and take an hour and a half to 2 hours to complete. Retail your repairs for as much as $250 per wheel. Why are our repairs so much faster? We repair the wheel as it sits. In contrast, other franchises require you to remove the wheel, remove the tire from the wheel, perform the repair in a mini trailer booth, cure the repair, mount the tire on the wheel, balance the wheel, and then remount the tire onto the car. After all, you're not getting paid to perform all these extra steps, so why do them? Get in, get out, get paid. That's Rapid Rim Repair's philosophy. Classes are available monthly on the 1st and 15th. To book your reservation for your upcoming class or to speak to a franchise or licensing specialist, please call 1-866-636-4451 or email us your questions to customer support@rapidrimrepair.com.